Boosh. Hello everybody, welcome to NomeX TV and a special episode from Casa de Sibs. Little Irish is sitting outside, it's back, yes! And I hope you've enjoyed the rebuild and rebirth series to date. There are many episodes culminating in 4 that have been released in the past couple of weeks. I hope you've enjoyed all of those. The engine being put back together, the engine going in the car, the first crank, then the first drive. It's been pretty sensational. I have been blown away by the lovely feedback, so thank you to everybody who has left lovely comments. There are 2 more videos to go in the series. There is the plot twist, which is going to go out this coming Sunday. And then there is a road trip video. A very, very, very special road trip documented. If you followed my Instagram, which is at 9works_Lee, you'd have seen all about it the last couple of weeks. We've outdone ourselves when it comes to running in Little Irish, put it that way. So that's coming up, which I really hope you'll enjoy to round off this Little Irish revival series. Now, this is a special video and a bit different because I'm giving you the opportunity to win yourself a piece of Little Irish. With Little Irish back on the road and me faced with a box of broken bits, we thought, well, look, why don't we do something that could be pretty cool? So I spoke to my old man, who's been on the channel a couple of years ago when we road tripped to Norway. And now retired, I said to him, look, if I give you a piston and a conrod from Little Irish, bear in mind we got 6 of them kicking around, is there anything you can do with that could present something that people may wish to buy? And lo and behold, that clever so-and-so has come up trumps with something pretty special. And I'm going to show you what it is right now. Da-da! So this bit moves. We'll show you this shortly. But how about this for some Little Irish Porsche history that could be yours? So this is the original piston and conrod. You can see mounted there the Porsche number, 996 part number. The original piston, not just any piston, but the hallowed number 6, which features the damage of valves kissing piston, all there, mounted on the most beautiful stand, basically. As I said, the old man has made it so that this bit can move, so, you know, it's totally up to you how you have it. This conrod and piston are part of the engine that covered 181,000 miles in Little Irish, taking that car certainly all over Europe before it went bang. It's pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Mounted on the most exquisite stand, which, as you can see, features the side stripe that goes along either side of Little Irish. I mean, how cool is that? He's a clever, clever, clever guy. Now, obviously, the rebuild cost quite a bit of money, and then that's when we thought, well, surely there's a solution here by which everybody can benefit from. A bit of cash in the bank for old Sibs, but also it gives you the opportunity to win a piece of the famous Little Irish. So here's what we're going to do. It's going to go on auction. It's going to go on eBay. I'm going to drop a link in the description here if you'd like to get involved. Everything's a numbers game with Porsche, isn't it? So look, yeah, there are 6 pistons and conrods that came out of Little Irish. My dad has made 3 of these, so we just covered the one bank, the broken bank, if you like. I'm keeping one. One I have given away to our friends at Porsche Club Sundmore, who have invited us back to Norway for 5 years straight now, myself and members of the Driven Not Hidden Collective. Great friends. It's a privilege to have that residing in their clubhouse. So there's one more. There's one more to give away. Providing you pay for it. The first thing I'll do with the millions I'm going to get from this is take the old man out for a well-deserved dinner to say thank you for just creating something so beautiful, and the rest of it is literally going to help just pay off the last remnants of this engine, to be honest with you. How much that's going to be is entirely up to you. We'll see how it goes. If this does well, you can bet your bottom dollar the other 3 are going to be given to my dad to be made into something special pretty soon, right? But no, look, in all seriousness, it's an opportunity for you, if you so wish, to contribute to the story, but also have a piece of the car as well. It's as simple as that. So that's it. Bookmark the auction, keep an eye on it. have a bottle of Plonk and then stick a bid in. It usually helps, doesn't it, with the old budgeting? And yeah, we'll leave you meanwhile with this beautiful piece of Porsche history, bit of Little Irish, that you can win. We'll see you on the auction.